Hello kids, today I will tell you about India Independence Day. Why we celebrate India Independence Day? 15th August means Swatantrata Divas, Independence Day. India got independence from the United Kingdom on 15th August 1947. So, behind the celebration of Independence Day on 15th August, there is a much violent history of wars and movements done by thousands of spirited Indian freedom fighters. All these brave freedom fighters of India struggled and even sacrificed their lives in an effort to free our motherland, India, from British. Let us remember all these freedom fighters of India and be proud for them. Now I will tell you about our Indian freedom fighters. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. He was first Deputy Prime Minister of India. Jawaharlal Nehru. He was first Prime Minister of India. Children called him Chacha Nehru. Mahatma Gandhi. His actual name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. We also called him Bapu. Tantia Tope. Tantia Tope, also called as Tatya Tope. Nana Sahib. Nana Sahib was 14th Peshwa of the Maratha Empire. Lal Bahadur Shastri. He was second Prime Minister of India. We celebrate his birthday on 2nd October with Mahatma Gandhi. Subhash Chandra Bose. He was leader of Indian National Army. Bose's most famous quote was, "Give me blood and I shall give you freedom." Sukhdev. He participated in several actions alongside Bhagat Singh and Sivaram Rajguru. Kuwar Singh. He was also known as Veer Kuwar Singh. Rani Lakshmibai. She was also known as Jhansi Ki Rani. She was a fearless Indian woman. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Tilak was the first leader of the Indian independence movement. Lala Lajpat Rai. He played a leading role in the Indian independence movement. Mangal Pandey. He was an Indian soldier who played a key part in the independence movement. Vinayak Damodar Savarkar. He developed the Hindi nationalist political ideology for Hindutva. C. Rajagopalachari. He was the last Governor General of India, as India soon became a republic in 1950. Bhagat Singh. At the age 23, he made folk hero of the Indian independence movement. Dadabhai Nauroji. He was also known as the Grand Old Man of India. Ram Prasad Bismil. He was a patriotic poet and wrote in Hindi and Urdu. K.M. Munshi. He was an Indian independence movement activist, socialist, politician and writer. Bipin Chandra Pal. He also opposed the partition of Bengal by the British government. Chandrasekhar Azad. He was a member of Hindustan Republican Association. Chittaranjan Das. He was a founder leader of the Swaraj Party. Muhammad Baraktullah Bhopali. He was Prime Minister of First Provisional Government of India. Ashfaq Ullah Khan. He was a co-founder of the Hindustan Socialist Republican Association. Begum Hazrat Mahal. She was also known as the Begum of Awadh. She played leading role against the British East India Company. Thanks for watching our video. If you like our video, please like, share and subscribe.